Here's a 2018 Nissan Altima. Behind the wheel of this spectacular Altima is where innovation pays off. It's where fun meets frugal thanks to the powerful acceleration and efficient fuel economy of the Xtronic CVT. The stunning exterior design will also get your heart pumping. Inside the comfortable cabin, you'll appreciate the conveniences of split folding down rear seat backs, Bluetooth and steering wheel audio controls. You'll also enjoy refined handling, courtesy of active understeer control and vehicle dynamic control. This Altima will make every ride more enjoyable. Make sure to stop in for a test drive. It's a 2018 Nissan Altima. Accelerate your pulse in this aggressive Altima. The responsive Xtronic CVT gives you a little zip when you need it, while active understeer control makes the sharpest turn feel like a straightaway. The serene cabin is both spacious and well appointed with great features like steering wheel audio controls, split fold down rear seat backs, and Bluetooth. Feel safer on the road with vehicle dynamic control featuring traction control, plus a tire pressure monitoring system and advanced airbags. Beauty runs deep in this Altima. Stop in and check it out before it's gone.
Jenkins Nissan, where the deals are real. Or visit us in person at 4401 State Road 33 North in Lakeland, Florida.